Good morning, guys. Here it is, as promised, a scalping session from A to Z. In these videos, we go through A to Z approach with real capital, and I'm doing this for you guys. You know, I don't do this for a living. We're gonna pay you the AC bill, but other than that, guys, you know, trade responsibly. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the computer. It's a whole documentation here, a live trading session from A to Z. And before we end this video, I want to say smashy if you want part 2 to this video.
Okay guys, let us pay the AC bill in this video. You see this is a fresh 1,600 account. Now what we're gonna do here, guys, and by the way, I'm using extreme leverage, and you know my stance on leverage, and matter of fact, you know my stance on spread betting, but a lot of you are still doing it, so this is hopefully to help you guys. Look, we're gonna try our best here to slow things down, but I probably won't be able to slow it down for you guys, so do not blink in this video. I need you to pay attention if you want to learn something and you want to see how it's done. So what I want to do here is start over fresh. I want to delete these lines, and hopefully we can do it together before the market opens, because the market is going to open in about 2 minutes, and when we have market open, usually it means volatility. Okay, so there it goes. We're going to keep one line here. So let's go to the daily right here. So the daily is very important because it tells us potentially where the market is looking to go. So if I look at it like a naked chart, I could tell you today this is looking like it wants to come down to this level, okay, of 14,900, which is 100 points down. That's the daily. But first it will need to test the resistance, which is this level of 1580. So that gives us opportunity to look for a short position. Most likely, if we look at the hourly, we might see something different. Okay, it's probably going to be a 14,900 touch and go, and we touched it here. So this is now invalid to look for a short position because we've tested that support level we identified earlier on the daily. And how did I identify it? Well, I used the body, okay, of the candle. And also there's a wick here, so I use that as support level, and I use the body, but the body hasn't been tested. However, the wick has been tested, and we can't see it on the daily unless we zoom into the hourly. Okay, so market opens now any minute. We're gonna load up our share sizes of 6 contracts, and we're gonna use 15 points stop loss and 15 points take profit. Okay, we're just gonna follow momentum here. Now, like I said, do not blink. This here is the first resistance lines of 1585, and this is the second resistance line of 15112. I'm probably gonna wait for the big resistance line or the furthest resistance line, and I will open a short position. Okay, and I'll probably delay my trade here as much as I can. Market is open now, guys, so we're gonna see, is it a long position? And I'm gonna follow momentum here. Okay, seems like market is looking for that push up any minute. Delay it as much as you can, especially like this. This is a weak open. Okay, there it goes. Okay, market open, guys. Long position opened. Again, remember what we said. We've got our 15 point stop loss, and the resistance line is already established. Okay, any minute, and I'll close this. We're gonna secure $40 here in this trade because we were getting close to the resistance, and the market is trying to see what it really wants to do. You know, you never trust the market open, because market open, anything can happen. Okay, it could be a rally or it could be a fake one. So we'll see. Now this is the first pullback we're expecting. we can go 5 minutes now to have a look. But I don't think this will be lived, because as I said, we're gonna use 10 points now, and I'm gonna lower my stop to 10 points. Okay, I've reopened the long position just because this candle will need to finish up. It might have retraced back, but it needs to complete the cycle. Okay, so it needs to push to the resistance. It stopped right before it, so we'll need to push all the way to the resistance. Okay, there it goes. Beautiful. I'm gonna close 30. So there goes 70 euros in this specific trading session, and it's only been running for 5 minutes. Okay, so we've tested resistance now. What I want to do is see if it actually wants to come to this level now, because this body right here, these wicks might not be meaningful long term, but the bodies is what means a lot, and that's where I say to you guys, always focus on the bodies of the red candles for resistance. Okay, so back to 5 minutes. Now we're supposed to be at resistance. Okay, so what I want to do here is give it 15 point stop, or 10 points. We'll stick with 10 points. Okay, another long position opened. There it goes. Okay, and another 40 euros secured in this trade. So that's 120 euros in 6 minutes on 1,600 trading account. I want to show you the transaction here. Okay guys, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. I'll see you next time. That's all I want to do, is make a couple of trades. I don't want to exaggerate these videos and show you, millions and whatnot. I want to just, for you guys, because I know greed is a big problem with the trading industry, especially when you're using leverage. So I want to train your eyes to just be this conservative trader. All right, guys, I'll see you next time, and I appreciate you for watching. Bye-bye.